Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Euro USD. Today in this daily video analysis, I will talk about a downside continuation. Risk disclaimer, please read it, and if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Thank you guys, and let's take a look here on the economic calendar. So later today, or actually tonight, we'll have the FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, this is in a high impact event, most likely will bring sharp movements, high volatility, high action on all markets, and not only on the US dollar, not only on gold. It will shake the markets. It will bring maybe sharp movements on the Japanese yen pairs as well, on US equities, maybe on silver as well. I don't know, maybe US oil as well. So let's take a look here. Euro USD. Okay, in the short term, the pressure remains high. Okay, in the short term, pressure remains high. The downside pressure remains high after failing here to stabilize above maybe the former high, test retests. And after taking out the immediate lows, it has signaled the potential maybe downside movement, a potential reversal in the short term. So the downside pressure remains high. Okay, only because I told you guys also earlier today in that market breakdown video that the dollar index maintains a bullish bias, and the potential let's take a look, and the potential further growth here. As expected, the dollar index rallied and rebounded, guys, after reaching the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So I've talked about this scenario earlier today in that market breakdown video. That's why it's important, guys, to get all my videos, to get my VIP content, because I talked about this scenario earlier today into the VIP group. Okay, sell off, and I've said that as long as it stays above the former low, above the medium line, it could turn to the upside, and a potential rally could bring us new US dollar long. So let's take a look again here. Euro USD. After this rebound, a new sell-off, it has found new demand and support above. Let's use this former low here, 1.0762. Sorry, it has rebounded. Okay, it has retested 1.0788, former low. Okay, as downside obstacle, former downside obstacle, and in my opinion, as long as it stays below this key level and making a new lower low, could activate a potential deeper drop, downside movement, and maybe we'll have potential targets. Maybe here around 1.07 and 12. Okay, so the downside pressure remains high. The bias remains bearish, only because the US dollar or the dollar index is still bullish. Yeah, so that the dollar index is still bullish, and here in the short term, maybe temporary rebounds are natural. Okay, temporary rebound before extending its sell-off. So personally, I'm looking only for shorts. Okay, only for selling opportunities here on this market, on Euro USD. I really hope I'll have a really great opportunity later. And please take a look here. Also, descending pitchfork here. Okay, descending pitchfork, and if it comes back to stabilize below the medium line, then it could maybe extend its sell-off. Okay, it has dropped around the medium line of the descending pitchfork. So coming back below the medium line and a new lower low here could signal maybe a potential downside movement, and personally I will look for shorts. But if it stays here, guys, above the medium line, to retest here, could also signal that if it stays here to test to retest here to register only false breakdowns, false breakdowns, great separation followed by a new higher high, then it could signal a potential larger rebound in the short term. But yeah, right now this scenario is less likely to happen, only because the downside pressure remains high, and I said that a new lower low here could activate a potential downside movement. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget that the FOMC meeting minutes will bring sharp movements and high volatility tonight, so the fundamentals could move the markets. Risk disclaimer here, please read it, and if you have questions you can send an email to support. You can hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP groups, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like this video, you can share it, you can comment. Bye bye.